What's a hacker's favorite season? Fishing season.
In this video, I will show how to create a hacker voice, a sound wave form, and a typewriting effect. To create this effect, upload your image and your audio clip. For now, the audio clip is my original voice. What's a hacker's favorite season? Fishing season. Click on the audio clip, then go to the inspector panel. Change the audio volume to 5.0, then adjust the semitones to -5. Next, adjust the cents to -100. Let's check it out.
What's a hacker's favorite season? Fishing season.
Sounds about right. Now let us do the text. Go to Effects, look for Titles, and then add a Text Plus. I will split this into two to separate the animation between the sentences. Next, add your text, adjust the font style and font size, then click this transform button here to move the text to a different position. Now copy this text effect and create the other sentence. Let me just make some adjustments here. Almost there. Let us use the typing effect for this animation. Put the playhead at the beginning of the text clip, click it, and then go to the inspector panel. Look for the write-on, create a keyframe, and then set the slider back to 0. Now, move the playhead to the part where the last letter should be typed, which in this case is the last bit of the audio, then drag and max out the write-on slider to the right. Let us check it out.
What's a hacker's favorite season? Fishing season.
Okay, let us do the same for the second clip. Put the playhead at the beginning of the text clip, make sure the text clip is selected, create a keyframe on the write-on, and drag the slider to the left. Now move the playhead to the last bit of the audio, then max out the slider to the right.
What's a hacker's favorite season? Fishing season.
The next step is to add the keyboard sound. I will chop it up to at least match the typing and the voice. Here is how it is now.
What's a hacker's favorite season? Fishing season.
Finally, we are ready to make the audio wave form. To do that, right-click on the image and click on New Fusion Clip, then right-click it again and click on Open in Fusion Page. On the Fusion page, click anywhere on the grid and add a background node. Connect the background node to the media in 1, and it will automatically create a merge node. While the background node is selected, change the color to white and add a rectangle node. Adjust the corner radius to 1, then play with the height and width. From here, select the background node, then shift space and add a duplicate node. Make sure the duplicate node is selected and change the copies to 20. Later on, we will make changes to the time offset. Now adjust the center so we can spread the duplicates. It does not automatically center itself, so we need to reposition this audio waveform. Click on the rectangle node, then adjust to the position you want. From here, while the rectangle node is selected, right-click on height, click on Modify Width, and then choose MIDI Extractor. Now we can access the Modifier tab of the rectangle node. We need MIDI file for our audio. I already have one here, but I will delete it and recreate it for you. Go to this site, link is in the description, and drag your audio. Convert the file to MIDI, and once done, download the file to your computer. Back in DaVinci Resolve, click on Browse, and then choose your MIDI file. This will sync the audio waveform to the audio. Now go to the Combine Events section and choose Sum in the drop-down. Let's see how it works now.
Fishing season. What's a hacker's favorite season?
As you can see, it does not look anything like an audio waveform, so we have to fix that. Click on the rectangle node and go back to Modifiers. There are several parameters that we need to change here. At this point, I must tell you that there are no standard numbers you can use. The system reacts to your audio, so you have to play around with the settings to see how it affects your sound wave effect. For me, I will adjust the time offset to 10.0, the result offset to 0.19, and the result scale to 0.15. Now let us take a look.
What's a hacker's favorite season? Fishing season.
The bars are just going up and down, and that is not what we want. To fix that, go to the duplicate node, and then adjust the time offset to -9.0. Let's play it back in the edit page.
What's a hacker's favorite season? Fishing season.
There is a wave now, but it does not look good enough. I will go back to the Fusion page and make some adjustments. Your key focus in the rectangle node are the time offset, result offset, and result scale. On the duplicate node, you must play around the time offset, keep changing the values and replaying the clip until you get the desired effect. Once happy with the results, click on the rectangle node and adjust the final position of the waveform, then check it back in the edit page. This is what I have so far.
What's a hacker's favorite season? Fishing season.
And for the final product, here is how it looks.
What's a hacker's favorite season? Fishing season.
Do not forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you next week.